Hi kids. Kids, let's learn colors name. Pink color, sky blue color, yellow color, black color, brown color, blue color, red color, violet color, green color and orange color. किड्स, इस वीडियो में हम ट्रेस करेंगे A, B, C, D, A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. Let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Pink color, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Orange color, S. Green color, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Light pink color, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.